You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this character from the Decameron. If you want to learn more character names, make sure to stay tuned. We've got them all coming up for you right at the end of the video, so stay tuned and stay tuned to the channel. Alright, so the Italian pronunciation here is Dioneo. Dioneo. Okay, now this sort of translates, and that's how the cast and people who talk about the series say it, as Dioneo. Dioneo. Okay. Italian, Dioneo. English, Dioneo. Dioneo, not Dioneo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.